Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your account, 2FA, and the Team Remote Desktop client installed on both machines. Once done, enable remote access on the host and allow the app through firewalls. Next, pick the connection method, direct IP, NAT traversal, or the provided gateway, and enter the host ID. Make sure your client can reach the host with a quick ping. If credentials are required, enter them now so the session can begin without interruption. You now configure the session. Set resolution and bandwidth preferences to balance clarity with speed. Once connected, grant the necessary permissions on the host, screen sharing, file access, and remote input so you can control the desktop. Use the clipboard and file transfer tools to move documents quickly. Drag and drop or the transfer pane works. If the host has multiple monitors, switch or span displays as needed. Keep an eye on latency indicators and adjust quality settings to maintain responsiveness. You finish by closing the session cleanly. Save work, log out of remote accounts, and close the client so temporary access tokens expire. Once done, review audit logs or session recordings to confirm actions and compliance. If something goes wrong, first restart the remote desktop service on the host and try reconnecting. If that fails, check the gateway or VPN status and firewall rules. If persistent, collect error codes and screenshots before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.